The long-awaited 8K switcher is finally here. This is the 8K HDMI KVM switch 21HK2.1. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Harmony OS. With just one set of keyboard, mouse, and a monitor, you can easily control two computers. Using an 8K HDMI cable up to 3 meters, it supports 8K at 30 Hz, 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 30 Hz, 4K at 60 Hz, and even 4K at 120 Hz resolutions. It comes with RS-232 interface, infrared receiver port, host indicator light, power indicator light, host switch button, reset button, keyboard and mouse ports, power port USB port, infrared receiver input port, audio separation output port, host audio USB and HDMI input ports, HDMI output port, one 21HK2.1 switcher unit, two 8K HDMI cables, two USB cables, one power adapter, one remote control. Connection steps: connect computer 1 via HDMI, connect computer 1 via USB, connect computer 2 via HDMI, connect computer 2 via USB, connect speakers, connect keyboard, connect mouse, connect HDMI display, connect power. Now it's ready to use.